Good morning, first grade friends. So we made it through our first story last week of school's first day of school. And this week we're going to be focusing on a story called Sylvie. And when you look at the cover of the book of Sylvie, you can tell that Sylvie is actually about a certain type of bird. I want you to take a minute and think about if you know what type of bird Sylvie is. If you said flamingo, you are correct. Sylvie is a flamingo, and I'm going to be sending you some different information about flamingos that we can learn about this week. And Sylvie, the book, was written and illustrated by Jennifer Sattler. So she is the author and the illustrator. So she wrote all the words and drew all the pictures. So let's read the book, Sylvie. Right here we have our title page again, which tells us our title, and it shows us our author and illustrator again, and also shows us where the book was made. One morning, Sylvie looked at her family. Then she looked around at everything else. Mama, she asked, why are we pink? Well, dear, we're pink because the little shrimp we eat are pink, said Mama. That gave Sylvie an idea. She tried nibbling on some palm leaves. I want to see if I can make a prediction. If she is going to be eating these palm leaves, I wonder what might happen to Sylvie. See if you can make your own prediction real quick and make your guess. If you said turning green, you are correct. Sure enough, she started to turn green. Next, she spotted some delicious looking grapes. I wonder what will happen next. What's your prediction? The grapes turned Sylvie positively purple. But Sylvie didn't stop there. She thought she'd look yummy in chocolate. What color would she be if she ate chocolate? She was right. What a beautiful sky, said Sylvie. It's the perfect shade of, see if you can say it with me, blue. Sylvie just happened to be flying by a kite. Oh, let's see what color that kite is. And what color is Sylvie going to be next? And became Scarlet Sylvie with just one bite. Scarlet is a shade of red. What fun she was having. She wondered what stripes might taste like. Rather stripy. Why wear flowers on just your head when you can be the whole bouquet? Sylvie had to tiptoe across the sand for a taste of swimsuit. It was worth it to be Paisley. Paisley is this design right there that they have. But after stuffing her tummy all day, Sylvie didn't feel so well. Ugh, look at her face. In fact, Sylvie didn't feel like Sylvie at all. She looked at herself, then she looked at her family, and Sylvie decided to go back to eating little pink shrimp. With a little dessert.